All right. So quick recap. When you meet with a buyer, make sure you're following our steps, or at least if you're not on our team, you can do whatever you want, but if you're on our team, you better be following our steps. But it works for you because it walks the buyer down a sales funnel where they're going to sign for you at the end. The reason buyers may not want to sign deals with you is because you're not showing them any value. Because who in their right mind would not sign something if they saw value? Bottom line is, no matter what story you want to tell me, if they don't sign with you, it's because you're not showing value, right? You're not showing value. So if you haven't taken a picture of the slide, this is the steps that you should show in your process. You don't deviate from these steps. Don't set a date to show first when you haven't built rapport or show them off-market homes. Don't do that. This is step by step in order on how you should meet with buyers, your mortgage side, real estate side, walk them all the way down. And then when it's time for them to sign a contract, if you show them a benefit-rich presentation, you backed it up with documents in writing showing them how you'll sell their home for free if they don't like it. Then you show them off-market homes like Melissa did me the other day. Phenomenal job. Then you set expectations and tell them you're going to get homes daily MLS via text, not email. And then you tell them twice a week you're going to send them off-market properties on Mondays and Thursdays. Why Mondays and Thursdays? Because I need you on Monday and Tuesday to be driving out looking at homes. They can drive through neighborhoods when they get off work at 5 or 6 o'clock. Thursdays, because we want to make sure that they looking at homes on Thursdays and Fridays. You want to have your whole week covered. You do not want to show houses on Saturdays, a waste of your time. Set expectations. Boom. Tell them to drive by. That's how you're going to double your income. If you don't have buyers out there driving around right now on the Monday, not even really on a Monday, really it should be on Tuesdays. I'm telling you, you're hurting yourself. This is how you can make yourself what we call omnipresent. You got 10, let's take the numbers out. What if you had 3 buyers out there driving around looking at houses? Forget about 10. 2. They were 2 buyers that went out and took their kids and put them in a car. They picked them up from school at 2:45, and they went out and looked at 6 houses that you sent them on market, off market, and you're in your office calling more buyers, trying to get them to do as many. You want all your buyers driving around. You want 285 and 85 to be full of your buyers in traffic. Imagine how many more deals you will close. Because what you're saying is, let me check my schedule, because you're seeing houses for the first time with them, which is, you should blow your brains out if that's how you operate in your business. Don't do that. You should never see a house the first time as they see the house the first time. And make sure you say that in your meetings. I should never see a house for the first time. You guys should already have driven by these homes. Because when they send me my list, what I say is, hey, Miss Jill, did you drive by these homes? Well, I drove by these 2 and not that one. Okay, well, let's take those off the list. Let's go see the ones you said you like.